Okay, video 2, front bathroom. This is the day after demolition. And, okay, that's on. Down to the floorboards, man. Some staining, but really nothing too bad there. Nothing really ruined or anything. Have a look. Smell-o-vision is kind of bad, although really not that bad. Not as bad as the shower was. And they haven't finished cleaning up in here. See the old button board plaster. That's some special stuff there. Not sure exactly what they're going to do today, but they're ready to do it, whatever it is. There's no... I don't think that's mold. Yeah, it's alright. Well, they got some cleaning up to do. I think the bashing is over. Well, except for, I know they're gonna put in a vent fan somewhere up in here. I guess there'll be more disaster time for that. I don't know if they're gonna. I don't know if they're gonna go down underneath and replace that waste and overflow. What they're gonna do? It's plastic, which means it's been replaced not too long ago. So that's a good thing. It's an interesting hole. I think that was probably originally where there was a socket, a receptacle, and they moved it over there when they put the first mirror up. And this was an old medicine cabinet, probably, that got removed and they put a mirror up. I think that's the mirror, the medicine cabinet that's in the garage, actually. Kind of funny. Anyway, there we are. There we have it. Probably should get a rag. Stuff that so smells don't come out. Okay. Onward and upwards. Lights out. Kind of weird how that. Switch is kind of goofy. Okay. Let the games begin, huh? Came through here with a Swiffer yesterday. Did a pretty good job first day. But see if they keep it up.